Hey folks, welcome back to Cooking with Derek. If you haven't been here before, thanks for joining me. And if you've made a return visit, I appreciate it. Hope you follow along, hope you subscribe. And today, quick little video on how to make mayonnaise. Sounds lame, but the last time I went to buy mayonnaise, I picked up the bottle and I looked at the shelf. Hey, Nigel. He's squeaking for his supper. I looked at and I'm like, I'm not paying that for questionable ingredients. So I went home and thought, I'll make mayonnaise. So here you go. Easy. I use one of these, immersion blender. Container to keep it in. And into this container, I'm going to crack one egg, and you layer your ingredients, okay? One egg. Then I'm going to add a little bit of white pepper, because a lot of mayonnaise has no personality. I'm going to add a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. That is your emulsifier. I'm going to add, about a half a teaspoon of salt. This is fine Italian sea salt. You add about a tablespoon of vinegar or lemon juice. I frequently use vinegar, but today for this demonstration, we're going to have some vinegar, some lemon juice. And it goes really quick, even quicker if you're not talking like I am. So add the lemon juice. The last ingredient is a cup of oil. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use a light tasting olive oil. Use whatever you want. You pour that on top. And so you just layer these ingredients, okay? And then you take your immersion blender and you stick it right down to the bottom and you have at her. Blending the bottom and then just slowly work your way up and you'll see, it'll just come together lickety split. Pretty satisfying. Remember years ago making it with a blender that you poured in and you had to stand there and slowly drizzle the oil in and it just felt like it took forever. And no, not with one of these. That's it. It's done. Presto presto, mayonnaise. I'm just going to clean this out of the immersion blender. Or stick blender, some people call them. There we go. And I will show you the finished results. They're smooth, they're creamy, and they are unlike anything you get in the grocery store. It's funny, I'm going back to making things that I used to make 20 and 30 years ago, or dare I say 40. But yeah, sometimes kicking it old school is the way to go. But with new equipment, it just gets easier. But check this out. It is smooth, it is creamy, and it tastes delicious. I'm going to give it a taste right now. That's everything mayonnaise should be. So give it a shot. One egg, a cup of oil, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, half a teaspoon of salt, some white pepper, lemon juice or vinegar. Did I forget that? Anyways, give it a try. And I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for joining me. And this is like 1, 2, 3 Mayo. And have a good day, folks. Subscribe below if you haven't. And once again, thanks for dropping in.